Hello, beauties. Today, we're covering a topic that I know is super important to many of you, weight loss, girlies. But listen, this is going to be real, okay? So before we dive into this, I just want to say something super important. Don't ever feel like you have to force yourself to change your body. You're already beautiful just the way you are. As a big sis who's moving out of her teen years soon, I totally get how it feels, those insecurities, comparing yourself to others. Trust me, I've been there. My weight has gone up and down too. Sometimes my face looked fuller, other times I didn't even recognize myself. It's all normal. Remember, everyone's body is different, and that's what makes us so special. So if you're thinking about losing a little weight, do it because you love yourself and want to feel even better, not because you think you have to change. We're not here for any of those crazy, harsh diets or punishing workouts, nope. I'm here as your big sis to give you real, healthy, and easy to follow advice. We're going to keep it fun, simple, and totally affordable, because you deserve to feel your best without any of that pressure. So, first things first, let's talk about food. I'm not going to tell you to cut out your favorite snacks or skip meals. No, we're not about that life. Instead, let's focus on adding more good stuff to what you're already eating. Think more fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Protein keeps you full and energized, plus, it helps build muscle. You can get it from things like chicken, tofu, eggs, and beans. And healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your friends. These fats make your meals satisfying and delicious. Whole grains, veggies, think oats, quinoa, brown rice, and tons of colorful veggies. These foods give you energy and keep you feeling full without weighing you down. You don't need to overhaul everything. Just make those little changes that make a difference. And, babe, listen to your body.
I'm so hungry! Please give me food! Some food!
If you're hungry, eat. If you're full, stop. That's it. It's called mindful eating, and it's about being kind to your body, not punishing it. And yes, you can totally have that slice of pizza or chocolate. Balance is key. A simple tip? Portion control, not starving yourself. You can still have the food you love, just be mindful of portions. Like, instead of eating a giant bag of chips, grab a small bowl and enjoy it. It's all about enjoying your food without overdoing it. Also, making some fun swaps can help. Switch white bread for whole grain, soda for sparkling water with fruit, or regular chips for baked ones. These small changes add up, without making you feel like you're missing out. Instead of setting huge goals like, I need to lose 10 pounds, focus on smaller, realistic goals. Maybe it's eating more veggies this week or walking a few times a week. We're here for long-term health, not quick fixes. It's all about making changes you can actually stick to. Now, when it comes to moving your body, forget about crazy workouts that feel like punishment. We're not doing that here. What we are going to do is find something you enjoy. Whether it's dancing in your room, trust me, this is a workout, going for a walk, playing your favorite sport, or even just doing some chill yoga, the point is to move your body in a way that makes you feel good. Add a little strength training if you can, like squats, push-ups, or resistance bands. This helps you build muscle and feel strong. And don't forget, rest days are just as important. Your body needs time to recover, so don't feel guilty about taking a break. Movement should feel fun, not like a chore. And I need to remind you of something super important, everyone's body is different. Some people gain weight in their tummy, others in their hips or arms. And guess what? It's all normal. Your body is your body, and no one else's. So don't ever compare yourself to others, especially people you see on social media. Remember, most of those pics are edited or filtered. We all look different, and that's what makes us unique. My body changed all the time during my teenage years, and it's totally okay for yours to do the same. Next up, water. I know you've probably heard this a million times, but it's true. Drinking enough water can do wonders for your body. You'll feel more energized, your skin will glow, and it helps your body work better overall. So, let's make water our best friend forever, okay? Here's a hack. Carry a cute water bottle with you everywhere. You'll be surprised how much more water you drink just by having it handy. Plus, it feels good to sip throughout the day, and it helps with everything, from energy to clearer skin. If you're not into plain water, add some flavor. Slice up fruits like strawberries, lemons, or cucumbers and toss them into your water for a refreshing twist. Trust me, it makes a difference. I know this one might sound too easy, but trust me, sleep and stress management are major players when it comes to your health. When you're sleep deprived, it can affect your hormones, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. So, try to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. As for stress, I totally get it. School, friendships, social media, it can be a lot. But instead of turning to junk food or unhealthy habits when you're stressed, try things like journaling, meditation, or just taking a few deep breaths. Sometimes, even just talking to someone you trust can help. I know it's easy to want fast results, but real change takes time. Best thing you can do is celebrate small victories. Having more energy, you're treating your body with more love. Take it slow. Be kind to yourself. Alright, my loves, that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you feel a little more confident and inspired to take care of your body in a healthy, sustainable way. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you all in the next one. Stay happy.
Bye.